what's up, Doc? Sound like you cutting up something good, folks.
That perp
shit.
You know what time it is.
Looking like that guap, boy.
Got that swag. Check out my steeds, boy.
Oh goddamn, check out my steeds, boy. I be the black Jet Li, call me Leroy, and I shine so bright. Tell me what you see, boy. Talk about the beans, then it better be the soy. Check out, it means you got your Nikes on, and you're higher than the storm, and you getting your drink on. Step out, tell the flick to lean on, get your laser beam on, and check out my steeds on. I'll see you later. Got many flavors. Do me a favor. Check out my steeds. I'm so clean and you ain't got these. Check out my steeds. Got ice beams. If you ain't about money, what the hell do you mean? Check out my steeds. Got ice beams. If you ain't about money, what the hell do you mean? Shit, ain't I from Jamaica? Paper is my major. Check out my steeds, ain't I looking like a laser? Check out my kicks, ain't I got many flavors? Look it, my swagger. So much ice, all the chickens want a dagger. I bet she feel it in the bladder. Man, soy, man, don't even match, does it matter? Shit, my pocket's fatter. Nikes on check, 32s check, ice beams check, that's the code that I dress. Call me mister, I do dick her. Get my drink on, baby, where's my liquor? Ain't I look clean? Got ice beams. If it ain't about money, what the hell do you mean? You can't see me, not even in your dreams. Check out soya beans. Check out my steeds. Got ice beams. If you ain't about money, what the hell do you mean? Check out my steeds. Got ice beams. If you ain't about money, what the hell do you mean?
Hold up, got them swagger heavy like elephants. If it ain't about making money, nigga, it ain't making sense. You know my steez, you smell the herb that I breathe. The rhyme weapon, legend reppin', stepping up in this bitch. Let me brush my shoulders off, nigga, check out my kicks. Now it's milling over on, nigga, check out my flicks. Yeah, it's guap season, shorty, gotta get me some chips. Now me and Beans cooking if you hungry for this. I splash OJ on them if they hating the shit. You splash OJ on them and they hating the shit. Yeah, don't be perfect, yeah, mommy, just work it like you here for a purpose while we smoking them purple. Yeah, young Dot'em got bitches in circles, some smarter than Urkel. If you soft, they'll hurt you. Yeah, what the hell do I mean? I'm a damn cash fiend, and you know I stay clean. Young Dot'em, that's me. The first dance, young Dot'em, that's me. Just push up. I be like, check out. Get money, boy. Check out. We get money, boy. Young Dot'em first.